Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you've tried everything? I mean, the diets, the supplements, the clean eating, but you still don't feel better? In fact, research shows over 60% of people with chronic symptoms feel unheard or unsupported even after receiving medical care, according to the Journal of Patient Experience in 2021. Why is that? It's because most systems chase symptoms, instead of understanding actually the root cause patterns. And that's where holistic medicine does it differently. In fact, holistic medicine predates our conventional medicine by 10, 20, 30,000 years. And especially in Afro-Indigenous cultures, this is how we practice well before we were colonized. And so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to. And we have our Intro to Holistic Medicine course. It is a self-guided course. You just click the link in the bio, scroll down, enroll. It's 100% free, teaching you how to take more control and be more empowered with your health. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building a personalized strategic health plan, you're in the right place. And if you haven't already, go ahead and jump inside one of our communities, check everything out. It's completely free. I'll walk you through how to start healing with clarity as well as confidence. All right, so this week, we're week 9 of our Intro to Holistic Medicine course. And this week, it's all about clinical case studies and personalized protocols. So here's what we're diving into: pattern recognition versus diagnosis. We'll learn how to actually observe and interpret our health using tools like we've been using our nutritional assessment questionnaire, our salivary pH, our resting heart rate. But this week, we're going to bring it all together, right? Because these tools don't actually diagnose, but what they do is help you to listen deeply to what your body is actually telling you. And then we'll work with the depleted framework that we went over last week. We'll introduce you to some clinical thinking tools that I use every day with patients. Remember, depleted helps you to identify which system in your body is most in need of support. Additionally, with our nutritional assessment and our pH and resting heart rate, we've got tons of data to be able to really focus on creating that personalized plan. So you'll practice using it with your case study, which is yourself, right? And then we're going to apply that with therapeutic order. So we'll revisit the strategy, not the guesswork of healing. We'll revisit the healing roadmap I'll follow in the clinical cases, and you'll learn why I never start with supplements, how to layer our food, our lifestyle, and support, and how to know when to shift gears in your healing. At the end of this 4 weeks, because we're in week 9, so this is the part 3, so we'll go through another 4 weeks. By the end of it, you'll draft actually your own personalized health plan that you'll pull all together with your subjective data, objective tracking, patterns, and priorities, and build your own plan. So it's not just a checklist, it is actually a strategy. So this week includes several different lessons, assignments, a personal planning process, and then also we're going to practice with case studies. So this week is powerful because it's completely yours. You're learning how to see your own story and your own health clearly by creating a plan that honors your body, your patterns, and your healing process. So head into lesson 1 to get started. Remember, you don't need permission to heal, you just need the right tools. And so we'll begin. Go ahead and check out the Intro to Holistic Medicine playlist. I've got all the videos posted. And then in the community, start the discussion. And of course, take a look at the course shell for all of this week's information. So like, share, subscribe, and comment below what you're excited about learning this week.